Don't get locked out. Use an elastic band. Limescale on the faucets? Just rub it away with some damp parchment paper to quickly make them shiny again. Give it a try. Can't open a jar? Put on a rubber glove and you'll succeed. A foolproof hack to keep your keys together and not lose them in your handbag. Much better. Here's some other uses for cable ties. Loads of fun. You can also use them as a DIY phone holder. Now you can watch videos much more easily. The perfect hiding place for your house keys? First of all, wrap them in saran wrap. Under the doormat is too obvious. They're much more secure in a flower pot. What a disaster! A silicone muffin pan can double as a great, non-slip tray for drinks. Totally drop-proof. Here's why you should keep a half-full bottle of water in your freezer. Ice-cold water always available. Did you know that this type of hairband is not actually worn like this? The ears are used to hold back your hair. Now it makes more sense. Putting a pillowcase over the back of your chair will make your studies more enjoyable. Here's a super easy way to keep your doormat in place. Plastic straws can be very useful for keeping your pantry neat and tidy. Use one to fold the end of an opened packet over on itself. Use another to seal the packet closed. Smart!